Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my newest plant, Syngonium Strawberry Ice. The plant was purchased from one of my favorite sellers in Homestead, Florida, WildEartha. Since the beginning of pandemic of 2020, I collected a lot of rare plants that I purchased from WildEartha, my favorite seller of all time. The packaging is simple and the seller used UPS for faster shipments. The seller ships all plants with soil inside a nursery pot, and the plant was packed securely. Check out this beautiful Syngonium Strawberry Ice. This Syngonium has a splash of pink, white, and green colors on its leaves. The leaf is much more wider than the regular Syngoniums. Check out this small but tiny half-moon leaf. It has a splash of pink and brown on the leaves. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my purchase, and I always come back for more from this seller. If you would like to purchase the same plant, please check WildEartha on Instagram. I hope you like this plant unboxing video, and please like and subscribe to my channel to see more planty videos. See you soon.